Hi guys, here we've got DOOGEE S98 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So at first, reach camera, switch to photo mode and tap on settings icon. Here you will notice self timer, so just pick 2 or 10 seconds delay, and then you can grab a photo with particular delay. Actually it wasn't applied, I guess. Let me try one more time. Okay, so now it will be working. You will be able to see the countdown and then the picture will be grabbed. Just give it a couple of seconds, like 10 seconds, because we set 10 seconds delay. And that's it. Now you can also change it to 2 seconds. Just make sure that the icon is fulfilled with color, because if it's like this, self timer is off. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.